The MAPP program is really, as it says, a Master's of Applied Public Policy. So the students are receiving rigorous public policy analysis, theory, ethics, training, and how do you actually understand and look at data and make informed decisions.
I think it is so incredibly important, especially in a state like Idaho, for the intersection of nonprofit and social services work and policy.
Policy is such an important component of our lives. It's the background conditions that sort of make the structure of modern societies.
This MAPP program is giving people both the ability to understand the current world, the current reality, and to understand the aspired reality.
It's just an amazing program that they have kind of up and running. I'm really excited to watch it develop and grow because it's not just the talking about it, it's not just the theory of it, is actually applied practice.
I'm very excited about this program and getting especially nonprofit folks, people in the community who are grounded in the realities that everyday people are experiencing, to start advocating and getting skills that they need to change policy in Idaho.